Okay guys, the first thing you're going to need is a non-stick baking pan. You could put it on anything, but this works the best for taking it off. You will see why. So the next thing you'll need is the cheese, and you don't have to do this in order, but this is some of the stuff that I use. I put mushrooms on mine as one of the toppings, and then the other topping I use are mushrooms. Everything is mushroom. Can you tell that I like mushrooms? I love mushrooms. Oh, and olives. I use olives as well. But your kids or yourself, you could use whatever you like. So next thing I'm going to do is take my toppings. If you have vegetables, always watch your vegetables and saute them first. You'll see that in hopefully another clip, but I'm washing them right now. So if you chose vegetables, you're going to want to wash them like I washed my mushrooms, and then you're going to you could saute them in butter, or I'm just going to use some vegetable oil so I don't run out of my butter, because I do not want to go to the store. So I'm just going to use this to saute up my mushrooms. And you could saute them in anything you want. You can make them plain, or you can put a little seasoning on them. Yeah, my hands are disgusting. So I'm just going to cook these up. And then I'm going to put some, I think I'm going to put garlic salt on it. But as I said, you could, garlic salt. You could saute them any way you want, and you could also keep them plain. For cooking the actual pizza, it doesn't really matter the time, and it does not matter the heat. It just all depends on your oven and how fast it cooks. If it's brown, it depends on how you like your pizza. So cook it to your liking. If you're cooking meat, make sure the meat is cooked. Again, I would go ahead and saute the meat too if you're putting meat on your pizza. Just so everything is cooked and everything cooks together when everything is in the oven. So this is just a really easy, simple recipe. It's just busy and you have a lot of kids, or you just don't have time to eat yourself, just get tortilla. I use flour tortillas. Corn I don't really like the taste of. This tastes more of a pizza type. And the sauce, I'm using mushroom pasta sauce. You could use any sauce you want, but I wouldn't go for like plain tomato sauce. Just get kind of spaghetti sauce. They're really cheap. They can go from $1 and up. Just read the ingredients and you're good to go. The next thing is cheese, and I'm sure you guys know how to make a pizza. This is, again, is just a quicker way to make a pizza. It does not take long at all. So I'm just putting cheese. I put cheddar. You can put whatever cheese you want, sweetie. Come on, like, you don't have to put cheddar just because I'm putting cheddar. And you don't have to put mushrooms because I'm putting mushrooms. Go ahead and put whatever you want. So the next thing I'm going to do, again, is just add the toppings. I'm going to add my olives, and then, no, I'm going to add my mushrooms, then my olives, and then I will show you the pizza when I'm putting it in the oven. So if you're a little kid, please use adult supervision to take this in and out of the oven, because I burn myself all the time and I'm 21, so that's kind of sad. Yeah, use a mitten at least, or get your parents. So this is the finished product. I'm telling you, it's really good, and it tastes like pizza. I mean, it's basically pizza, just a fast and easy version of it. Again, cook it to your perfection. I like mine like this. So guys, I hope you like this. If you want more easy, simple food videos, just let me know and I will make them for you. You can cut it up to make it look like a real pizza, but I don't. I just eat it like that. Sometimes I cut it up. It saves a little bit of mess. And if you're serving it for your kids, make sure you cut it up because it gets messy. Just like regular pizza, you're going to want to let this cool off a little bit because it's going to be super, super hot, and it's also going to have, the cheese is going to be running like really good pizza because it's just hot and it's all melty. So let that cool down for a little bit and you're good to go.